For Jacksonville homeowners, a damaged roof isn't just a repair. It's the start of a battle with your insurance company. Did you know that in Florida, insurers deny nearly half of all homeowner claims after a hurricane? And the problem is growing. Denials have actually increased by 17% in just the last 2 years. With the average roof replacement costing $13,000 or more, a denial can be financially devastating. So, how do you avoid becoming a statistic? We'll break down the insurer's playbook and show you how to win the claim. The path to denial often starts with simple, common mistakes. Are you making any of these? Mistake 1. Waiting too long. Most policies have strict deadlines, some just 30 days. Delay, and you are denied. Mistake 2. Bad evidence. Blurry, poorly angled photos without timestamps are an easy excuse for an insurer to say no. Mistake 3. Not preventing more damage. Your policy requires you to stop the problem, like tarping a leak. If you don't, they can deny the whole claim. And mistake 4. Going it alone. Without a certified roofer's assessment, your claim is simply your word against theirs. These common pitfalls create a minefield for homeowners. It is easy to make one wrong move that costs you thousands. But it is not just about what you do wrong. It is about understanding how the other side operates. What is really going on? First, understand the adjuster's job. They are sent by the insurance company to assess damage for the company's benefit, not yours. Insurers depend on specific policy language to deny claims. A key exclusion is wear and tear versus sudden damage. They will argue your roof was just old. Roof age is a major tool for them. Many policies contain clauses that limit or deny coverage for roofs over a certain age, regardless of the actual damage. Your policy is also full of other traps. No coverage for pests, neglect, or purely cosmetic damage. They can find a dozen technical reasons to deny you. These tactics are tough, but there's one recent change insurers are using that can cut your payout in half, even if your claim is approved. What is it? This is where having a specialist on your side changes everything. Let's see how a pro dismantles the insurer's playbook. First, they find what the adjuster missed. A pro roofer conducts a forensic level inspection, finding hidden water intrusion the initial assessment ignored. Second, they handle the bureaucracy. They know exactly what paperwork is needed and write estimates in the language insurers understand, speeding up the process. Third, they become your advocate. They negotiate directly with the adjuster, pushing back on lowball offers and ensuring fair compensation for a full replacement. Significantly, they use supplemental claims. When the insurer's initial estimate is too low, specialists file supplements for missed items and code upgrades. Remember that tactic that can cut your payout in half? It's the shift from RCV to ACV coverage. RCV, or replacement cost value, is what you want. It pays for the full cost of a brand new roof, with no deduction for its age. ACV, or actual cash value, is what insurers are now pushing. It pays for a new roof minus depreciation. If your roof is 10 years old, they may only pay half. This policy change is a negative turning point. It makes having a specialist who can argue for maximum value and find all covered damages more critical than ever. The system is complicated, the rules are changing, and the financial stakes for your family are enormous. So let's connect all the dots. How do all these pieces fit together? We started with the shocking 47% denial rate. That rate is fueled by the homeowner pitfalls we covered. A specialist advocate systemically eliminates those for you. We revealed the insurer's playbook, using adjusters, exclusions, and the ACV trap. A pro roofer counters this with their own, forensic inspections and supplemental claims. The clear conclusion is that a roofing insurance claim isn't a DIY project. It's a complex negotiation, and you need a professional manager in your corner. This is why CK Select Roofing has expanded to Jacksonville and the First Coast. We bring a proven system designed to overcome these exact challenges. Our process, from documentation to negotiation, has resulted in a 95% insurance claim approval success rate. We turn that 47% denial rate into a 5% chance of failure. For Jacksonville homeowners, this means you do not have to face this system alone. We manage the entire process, so you can focus on your family, not fighting your insurer. If you have roof damage, don't take a chance. Contact CK Select Roofing for a free inspection and claim consultation. Let our 95% success rate work for you.